Hi YouTube, let's take a look at this new Rock Island Armory M206 I just purchased. Do a quick unboxing. So you get the chamber flag, get the polymer grip that a lot of people switch out. I'll probably keep the wooden one. I like the aesthetic. You get a gun lock. Then you get the actual firearm itself. Real nice. Get a little range bag. Then it looks like you get this bag right here. It feels like it has some spec cases in it. I guess that's for quality control testing. And you get the user manual. Yeah, that's about everything that comes in the Rock Island Armory M206 purchase. What's up YouTube? Today we're going to be shooting my new Rock Island Armory M206 38 special. That's a federal. Gonna see how it goes first shots.
Classic.
Six? I think that was 6, huh?
Six.
Yeah, that was 6 of them.
It's about 6, yeah.
Pretty good. Got the fucking nice primer print on there. Pretty good. First shots. Mild recoil, nothing crazy. It's louder though, a lot louder than the 9mm, I'll tell you that. You want to get up in there?
Yeah, I feel like that was.
So this is what the target looked like after shooting the 50 rounds of Federal. There was some user error on my part. I was trying to reset the trigger as if it were a striker fired trigger. With these revolvers, you really want to make sure that your finger is going all the way off of the trigger. I guess it was messing with the timing and the cylinder spin. So I got to practice that before I decide to carry this. But I do like the firearm. I think it is a good budget option. Only $250. Can't really complain.